Question 1. Lacey and Kelly had a total of $58. After her father gave Kelly another $8, Lacey had 5 times as much money as Kelly. So how much did each child have at first? Okay, so for this question, we will be doing stacking. So let's draw our models first. We have Kelly and we have Lacey. And the question says that Lacey had 5 times as much as Kelly. So let's draw 5 units for Lacey. And now let's draw 1 unit for Kelly. Okay, so we know that Kelly received another $8 for her to have 1 unit. So let this box be worth 8. And the question says that Lacey and Kelly had a total of $58. So this total is actually 58 plus 8 because Kelly did not originally have this $8 and only after she received did she get 1 unit. So the total would be 58 plus 8. So let's write this all out. We know that 1 unit from Kelly plus 5 units from Lacey represents 58 plus 8. So 6 units represents 66. So now we can find the value of 1 unit, which is 66 divided by 6, and that gives us 11. So now we can calculate the amount of money Kelly and Lacey had at first. So amount of money Kelly had at first would be 1 unit minus 8. So $11 minus $8, and this gives us $3. And amount of money Lacey had at first would be 5 units, which is $11 times 5. And this gives us $55. So that would be our final answer.